we on? Excellent. So today, last lesson of hands-on equations. We're going to learn how to draw pictures so that if you don't have your kits and you need to solve these problems, you'll be good to go. So our first example is 2 stars plus 3 equals -6 plus x. So we already know how to draw the 2 stars. We use 2 white triangles. And we know how to draw a 3. Positive 3 is a square. We know it's positive because we put the square around it. It equals -6, which we know is going to be negative because we put a circle around it, plus x, which is the shaded in triangle. So, how can I solve this problem? Just like I would on the balance, but drawing a picture. What is the first thing I want to get rid of to help me solve this problem? Penny, what is the first thing I want to get rid of to help me solve this problem?
3.
Okay, so how am I going to get rid of the 3?
Adding pass to the
Okay.
that side where your marker is.
So there we go. There's a positive and a -3, and now I can get rid of those 3's. There's one more thing I need to get rid of to solve this equation. Lynn, what do you think it is?
The x.
I need to get rid of the x. How am I going to do that?
Create a pair on the other side.
Create a pair on the other side. So, there's that. And its shaded counterpart. Now I can get rid of the x on both sides, and that leaves me with 3 stars equals a -6 and a -3, which equals what? -6 and a -3 equals -9. So 3 stars equals -9. What would star equal? -3. And that's how you solve that problem with an illustration. Let's do one more example. I have 3x minus 2 -x plus 5's equals 2x plus a -1. So, to draw it, I have 3 x's. 1, 2, 3, minus 2 -x plus 5's. How am I going to create a -x plus 5?
I did a put a plus. I did negative and negative plus. For the one I created. For the 2
Not-
minuses.
Here?
And then the parentheses.
Well, we need to take away 2 -x plus 5's. So that would mean I would need to create a -x plus 5. And to create that, I have to do it with its opposite, which is that. It says I need to take away 2 of them, so I have to create another one. -x plus 5. Its opposite is x and a -5. Now, I can take the 2 away because it says minus 2 -x plus 5's, goodbye, goodbye, equals 2 x's plus a -1. So it's a 1 with a circle, that's how we know it's negative. So what is the first thing I can do to help me solve this problem? Vanessa?
Take 2 on what we
Take 2 pawns away from each side. What is that going to leave me with so far?
-5 and -5.
Okay, which equals what?
10.
Okay, so we have a 10 there, and we have 3 x's, and a -10 equals a -1. What do I need to do here?
With a pair of ends of negative and positive.
Okay,
You take
so
the
here
negative
is
away.
10, Here is 10. I can now get rid of that. 10, positive 10 and a negative 1 equals what?
11,
Positive 10 minus a 1, a negative 1,
9,
9. So that would equal positive 9, 3x equals positive 9. What does x equal?
3.
And I'm just going to put it right here, x equals 3. And that's how we solve it. A little more difficult, I believe, to draw it out, but it's a good skill to have if you have difficulty solving problems. Excellent job. We are officially done all of the lessons from Hands-On Algebra.